Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install MongoDB on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL mongodb.com and then click on the products and select community edition and then click on the download community link. Okay, now scroll down and select the version that you want to download. I am going to download the latest version and then select the platform Windows and then select the package. I am going to install the MSI package. Okay, then click on download button. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder. I already have downloaded it on my machine, so I am going to open this installer file. Click on next. Now check this box to accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on next. Now choose the setup type. I am going to select the first complete setup type. Okay. Now check this box to install MongoDB as a service. Okay, and the service name will be MongoDB. You can change this name, and this is the data directory and this is the log directory. Okay, then click on next. If you want to install MongoDB Compass, check this box, then click on next. Okay, the setup wizard is ready to begin installation, so click on install button. It may take a while for installing MongoDB with MongoDB Compass. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device to verify the publisher? Select yes. The setup must update files or services that cannot be updated while the system is running. If you choose to continue, a reboot will be required to complete the setup. Okay. That's it. MongoDB installed successfully. Now click on finish and then in order to complete the installation of MongoDB, you must restart the computer. So click on the yes button to restart the computer. I want to restart it later, so click on no and then click on the start button to start MongoDB Compass. I am going to create a new connection, save and connect. Okay, I am going to edit this connection and enter the connection name. Now I am going to create a new database. So enter the database name my DB and also add a collection, that means table. I am going to name it users create, and also I'm going to add data. Okay, now I'm going to add fields into this collection. Answer. Okay, that's it. Data inserted successfully. Okay, if you want to work with the shell command, open MongoDB Shell from here. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.